NEO. Forecast for the amount of pollen and spores. Each year, for many people, the arrival of spring also represents sneezing, irritation, and breathing problems. Plants begin to pollinate, and those with allergies must suffer the consequences. Some may even suffer from these symptoms all year round. Knowing what type of pollen and spores can be found in the air and forecasting the amounts would be a very useful way not only of improving these people's quality of life, but also of helping doctors diagnose allergies. Universitat Autònoma de Barcelona is coordinating a network which could make this possible by monitoring the level of pollen and spores. The Aerobiological Network of Catalonia gathers information throughout the year on pollen and spore counts in 8 different sites of the country. It also has a similar project in Santa Cruz de Tenerife and 5 other strategic points around Spain. Pollen is first gathered at monitoring stations such as this one. The pollen is gathered during 1 week, and every Monday the recipient is emptied, and the particles are sent to UAB's Palynological Analysis Lab. Once at the lab, the samples are prepared and analyzed with optical microscopes in order to count and determine the amount of each type of pollen and mold spore. The data on current counts and forecasts for future amounts of allergenic pollen and spores is then sent out to be published.
In the year 1983, when I began as teacher in the Universitat Autònoma of Barcelona, I was charged to do a study as doctoral thesis about the pollen and spore contents in the air related to the allergic respiratory. Since this year, Catalonia has a network for studying this pollen and spore content in the air. At this moment we have 8 sampling stations in all the territory, and we produce a document each week related to the pollen and spore content expected for the next week.
Researchers are constantly updating the data found on the website. At the point of information on aerobiology, visitors can check the current levels of pollen and spores in different parts of Catalonia and the forecast for the next few days. In addition, the website offers ample information on pollen and the most common plants and trees that cause allergies, as well as detailed information on the methods used to gather data at the aerobiological stations.